The third point is organize the unorganized. This is third seed which I wanted to put in your mind. And India is full of unorganized. Big opportunity. Big opportunity. What does it mean? You bring the unorganized sector together. Today they are working in isolation, right? They are working in isolation. Okay, each of them. Let's say, for example, kirana ki dukan, for example. Every area would have one kirana store, right? Like Bombay has got something like 1 lakh kirana stores. Okay, small and big all put together. And वैसे पूरे इंडिया में तो पता नहीं कितने किराना स्टोर होंगे, सब अपना अपना अलग अलग दुकान चला रहे हैं अपने तरीके से. जस्ट इमेजिन फॉर अ वाइल ये सब इकट्ठे होते हैं. हाँ, जस्ट इमेजिन इफ दे कम टुगेदर ऑल, आई मीन इट इज हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन, बट टेक इट, इफ ऑल दिस पीपल कम टुगेदर, खाली बॉम्बे पकड़ लो. ओके, अगर ये लाख में से अगर 1000 लोग भी अगर साथ में आते हैं, बोलते हैं चल एक काम करते हैं, कल से सबका पूरा दुकान सेम दिखेंगी, सेम ब्रांड, नाम भी सेम होगा, हमारे पॉलिसीज भी सेम रहेंगे, हमारी रिटर्न पॉलिसी बाय का सब कुछ सेम होगा, ताकत बनती है. 1000 लोग अभी एक साथ खरीदेंगे एक ही आवाज में. ओनली वन कंपनी विल, लेट्स से दे कम टुगेदर, ओके, दे क्रिएट वन ब्रांड एंड नाउ दे डील विद ऑल दिस बिग कंपनी, द सप्लायर्स. Okay, for customer it makes sense. Okay, just imagine 1000 stores operating in the city, the brand that gets created.
Kirana.com.
नहीं, I'm talking about offline अभी फिलहाल, but yeah, online की भी बात करेंगे हम. Yeah, sorry. नहीं, I'm talking about Kirana stores. Reliance Fresh is still large format retail outlet for me, the modern trade जिसको बोलते हैं. I'm talking about the small Kirana stores जिसकी 300, 400, 500 स्क्वायर फीट की जगह होती है, and they are operating that. And if they come together and they take a new position called convenience stores, can you do that? Bring these guys together, okay? Something similar Oyo Rooms did. There are different hotels in this country, all running in different name. Sea View Hotel, Ajanta Hotel, okay, Jai Shri Hotel, whatever, all different. They all are running in different name, okay. But if they come, if I bring them under a one brand, Oyo Rooms, now customer understands one brand, they get uniformity. Customer already wants uniformity. We as a customers don't like unpleasant surprises. We don't like surprises first of all. As a customer, you expect something and that you expect it to get fulfilled. You don't like surprises. And उसमें भी अगर अनप्लेजेंट सरप्राइज तो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. कस्टमर्स डोंट लाइक अनसर्टेनिटीज. ओके, सो व्हेन यू स्टेप आउट यू एक्सपेक्ट कि मेरे को रिक्शा मिल जाएगी, इट शुड हैपन, नहीं तो इट स्ट्रेसेस यू आउट. कस्टमर्स डोंट लाइक समथिंग विच इज अनसर्टन, यू शुड बी सर्टन. ओके, अगर आपको कहीं बाहर जाते हो, ये मिलना ही है गारंटी, तो आपको अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन यार पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा, टिकट मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी, दैट सिचुएशन कस्टमर्स नेवर लाइक. रूम मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, आई डू नॉट नो. ओके, नाउ इफ देयर इज अ ब्रांड and if the brand is uniform and I get same kind of service, same kind of an rates more or less, same kind of an policies of the, you know, कि भाई अगर मैं cancellation this is the policy, booking this is the policy, इतना advance जो भी है, what are the policies, if it's uniform customers like it क्योंकि brand है, you expect same thing from all. Okay, so what Oyo Rooms did, bought all this unorganized or fragmented industry and they brought it under one brand called Oyo Rooms. There are so many other opportunities in India. Somebody is trying to do for their टपरी की चाय, नुक्कड़ नुक्कड़ पे टपरी की चाय होती है, चाय वाले अपने, ओके, कटिंग चाय खास करके मुंबई की फेमस है. ओके, दे ऑल अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड बट दे आर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. कोई भी सेक्टर पकड़ लो, दुकानें हैं, उनके पास जगह है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, सालों से ट्रस्ट है कस्टमर्स का, क्योंकि सालों से वो बैठा हुआ है. कस्टमर ट्रस्ट दैट रिटेलर हु इज सिटिंग देयर फॉर इयर्स, राइट. उसका जगह है, उसका आदमी है, हाँ, और खुद एंटरप्रेन्योर है. इससे ज़्यादा आपको क्या चाहिए? आपको केवल उनको इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं. पॉसिबल है? $1 billion अपॉर्चुनिटी, बिलियंस एंड बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी. हार्डवर्क है, मेहनत है, लेकिन पैसा भी तो बड़ा है. can you think of one sector? Somebody is, I mean, sorry, I was talking about like chai. Somebody is doing that for tapri ki chai. He's bringing them together and creating a brand out of it. Somebody I know. And he's trying to bring that uniform experience to her. So now he's saying that I'll give, so especially for office goers, okay, क्योंकि हर एक टपरी के साथ आजू बाजू ऑफिस जुड़े हुए होते हैं, ओके, तो सुबह को दोपहर को चाय चाहिए तो जनरली उसके टपरी की चाय कई ऑफिस वहाँ से मंगाते हैं. So now he will give a good experience of giving them in a proper steel kettle with a branded glass, the paper glass but branded glass, all uniform experience. And you know what? Customer would not mind paying ₹1 extra for such experience. People pay. So this is the third idea, organizing the, so organizing the unorganized, that is the fragmented market which we have in this country. If you can bring together, it becomes a solid opportunity for you to build a brand and make a $1 billion company out of it. I'm telling you, okay. Whatever idea you get, you got to think something. A, is idea practical, physical? You may have some fantastic idea, like you were talking about teleporting yourself from point A to point B, okay, immediately, okay, yes, it may be a science fiction, perhaps 100 or 200 down the line, people will be able to port themselves, but today, does it look idea feasible? Can you do it today? Perhaps doesn't look feasible. So idea has to be practical, feasible, yeah. Number two, is there a huge market? Is there takers of the idea? You may have some idea which is very fantastic, but only applies to you or very few people, then there's no point in doing that business. Point number three is think long term and have a foresight for your business. Okay, that means your idea should be such that it has to have an implication over the next few years. Okay, don't base your idea on past. That is very important. As an entrepreneur, you should be thinking of the future. अगले 5-10 साल में क्या होने वाला है, खास करके अगले 5 साल में दुनिया कैसी होगी, कैसी दिखेगी, उसको आपको आज चालू करना है, तब जाके वो 5 साल के बाद फॉर्म होगा. So whatever is going to happen 5 years down the line, that you have to start today, right? So that becomes a business idea. Okay, so you have to just visualize how the world would look after 5 years, and after that 5 years, whatever is going to happen, that journey you have to start today. Okay, so that foresight is something which you should have. One more thing is about knowing your limits, okay, or check what kind of skill sets you got. At times, it looks to be a good idea, feasible, practical, कर सकते हैं, लेकिन if you don't have a skill sets, अगर आप नहीं कर सकते, then again it could be a big challenge. For example, you may feel, I would want to convert a waste into an energy. Brilliant, super idea. But do you have that knowledge of energy science? If you don't have it, then either you have to find some co-founder who knows that. लेकिन आप अगर खुद करने जाओगे तो शायद मुश्किल होगी. And that's why it is said that when you are entering into an online business, online is all about technology. Okay, so if I'm sure most of you may not know technology because you come from different domain expertise. Okay, you have to have a co-founder which knows technology, right? These are some of the points about idea. So any questions here on this, or should I move ahead?
So in this entire mess, when we all are thinking in one direction, and I'm sure there are clashes possible, how do we protect our idea?
Idea by itself has zero value. And coming to your point, how do you protect idea? Okay, people generally feel insecure about sharing the idea with other people. They feel that मेरा idea चोरी हो जाएगा. This is, but let me tell you guys, idea by itself has got zero value. Idea gets its value only when it gets into execution. Okay, it's the execution which lends a value to the idea. Otherwise, that idea has got no value.
So, Shaurabh, what's your opinion on this?
Now, again, ideas, as I said, are dime a dozen. I'm sure that somebody else has the same idea around the world, but how many of them are executing it? So, plan your execution well. Do not be afraid to share your ideas. If somebody else can copy that and can do that, then he would have heard of that from somewhere else. Execution is key. How you implement, how quickly you go to market. Think about that. If you're in market, it's anyway out in the open. So if somebody has to copy, he'll copy it not today, after 4 months or 5 months when you're in the market anyway. So for that, if you're going to restrain yourself and not talk about it, you're losing time. You lose the first mover advantage. So don't be reluctant about it, but just be very cautious about it.
Now coming to the point of how do you protect your business idea or whatever it is. So my question to you is, why do you want to protect? Because you feel, and generally it's a common, every entrepreneur feels, even at times I also would feel, okay, अगर मेरे को कोई idea आता है तो I don't want to share with everybody. Why? Because you feel it's your, it's something very close to you, you have got an idea, उसको कोई कर लेगा तो, right? What if somebody robs of your idea and starts that business? So what? I told you,
Let it be the first one.
let him be the first one. There is no monopoly in this world. अगर आप भले आप पहले कर लो तो क्या होगा उससे? तो क्या दूसरा नहीं करेगा कोई? Do you think कि पूरी मार्केट आप अकेले खाओगे? ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. There is no monopoly in this world. Okay. Secondly, yes, you can protect the idea by patenting it. You cannot patent your idea, but you can patent algorithms or the processes, certain things, or your product at least. However, let me tell you, patent is good, it gives you value, but let me give you, explain this something through an example. Apple, one of the biggest companies in this world, okay, giant, उसके पास कोई पैसे की ताकत की कमी नहीं है. ओके, जब उसने आईफोन बनाया उसने सारे पेटेंट्स जो पॉसिबल है वो फाइल किए होंगे. फिर भी दूसरी कंपनियां उसी टाइप का स्मार्टफोन बनाती हैं आज. एक अकेला एप्पल तो नहीं है फ़ोन बेचने वाला. क्यों? मोनोपोली होनी चाहिए थी उसकी. तो पहले फ़ोन उसने बनाया, पूरा फुल इतना बड़ा स्क्रीन, टच स्क्रीन, मल्टी टच, ओके, ये सब जो ऑप्शन थे उसमें, ओके, एप्स का जो पूरा फंडा था. क्यों भाई? इट्स द ओनली कंपनी सेलिंग दैट फोन. देन अगर मोनोपोली होती तो नहीं होती. सो एंड वन मोर थिंग, इफ यू हैपन टू बी द फर्स्ट गाय to launch a new idea in a business, okay, and that means you have to educate the market, right? I told you, start going to the temples or church or wherever, okay, whomever you worship, okay, जिसकी भी आप पूजा करते हो या वर्शिप करते हो, जाओ उधर और बोलो भगवान मुझे कंपटीशन दे. नहीं, I want competition. I am serious. You and every business needs a competition, then only the business will grow. अगर आप अकेले अपना bugle बजाते रहोगे, nobody is going to take notice. But if 4 players comes and then they start all blowing the bugle, then the whole world takes notice about your product or service. If you are alone selling a product, then customer thinks whether I should buy this or no. If there are 4 players, the question shifts from whom do I buy. Yeah. So you need competition. You cannot ever have a monopoly. So there's no point protecting the idea at all. Okay. Still, I told you, you can patent it, you can copyright it, you can you can talk to your attorneys who can help you. It is going to add value in the valuation, of course, of the company, but otherwise, in practical terms, I am being ruthlessly honest. There's no monopoly.
Samar, would you like to comment on this?
Do you know Elon Musk a few days back open sourced the Tesla technology, so there is no IPR on it anymore. So if we have the ability, we can start producing Tesla cars here. In that respect, so I see that future generation entrepreneurs would be that smart that he or she would not even bother about IPR. Say, I'll put it up and will make money in a very different way. So I think my understanding is that we are standing at the real big shift in the history of business. And one technology, which is the TCP/IP / called internet, is responsible for it. I don't know if you know, Times Magazine declared internet as the invention of the century in the 2000 as the millennial started, right? And I think they were absolutely right. And now we are seeing the impact. Now we are seeing the impact in a very big way, right? It's taken 15 years, but the impact is very, very big.
And Dhirubhai Ambani said, ideas are no one's monopoly.
Absolutely, yeah, it's a fact. Okay. However, if you still want to have a claim on an idea, होता है ना कई बार, and you may be getting 50 ideas from now onwards after I planted the seeds in your mind. Okay, you're not going to pursue all the ideas, and I've told you have to do only one thing. Don't do 10 things. Okay, cut down, narrow the focus is better for you. But still, if you get some idea, and you want to have a claim somewhere in future, okay, कि ये idea originally मेरे को आया था, okay, I'll give you one some देशी जुगाड़ method, देशी method, purely जुगाड़, okay, I'll tell you what you're supposed to do. Take a piece of foolscape paper and write down your idea, completely describe करने साथ, describe your idea completely in detail on that foolscape paper with a handwriting, your own handwriting. Don't type it. Fold it, put in the envelope, seal the envelope, and then put your own address on the envelope. Then go to post office and post it through registered AD or under postal certification. क्या होगा, कुछ 3-4 दिनों में या जो भी वो लेटर आपके घर पे आएगा, क्योंकि एड्रेस आपका था, उसको खोलना मत. इट्स अ प्रूफ विद अ गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी का डेट थप्पा उसके ऊपर, इसके अंदर मेरे आपकी आइडिया सील्ड है. फ्यूचर में किसको भी अगर आपको क्लेम करना हो कि ओरिजिनली उस तारीख को या उस दिन को आइडिया मेरे को आया था, मेरे ये खोल के देख ले, उसके ऊपर स्टैंप है, सील्ड है, एंड दैट आइडिया वाज बिलोंगिंग टू मी. Agreed? You can, okay. So these are a purely Deshi method, जुगाड़, but it works at times. You can take a claim. Yeah? And उसमें कोई ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं लगने वाला आपको, ना कोई लॉयर को आपको अपॉइंट करना है, जो भी आपका शायद रजिस्टर्ड का जो खर्चा है वो लगने वाला है. Okay. So this was about idea and ideation. Thank you very much.